Hi there, my name is Jason Revelle. I'm a math instructor at Western Technical College. Congratulations on enrolling in classes at Western. If you're watching this video, you must be trying to determine which math class to enroll in for an upcoming term. That can be a little confusing because Western offers many different math classes for many different career paths. Our goal is to make sure that you choose the right course both for your career choice and for your comfort level. In this video, we'll focus on a course called Basic Statistics and help you determine if that's the right course for you. To be clear, the course we're talking about in this video, Basic Statistics, is primarily a transfer course. Western does offer another statistics course called Introductory Statistics, and that's used by many programs here at Western, but doesn't transfer as widely as Basic Statistics does. So let's talk a little bit more about that. So why enroll in Basic Statistics? It's a great course for increasing your statistical understanding in a data-driven world. It'll prepare you for a wide range of career options because, as I said earlier, it really is designed primarily as a transfer course. If you take Basic Stat, you're either trying to just learn more about statistics or you are planning to transfer this course to another institution, and it does transfer to many four-year colleges and universities. And in addition to that, the credits you earn through Basic Statistics will satisfy the math requirements for the Associate of Arts or the Associate of Science degree here at Western. So next you might wonder if you have the math background necessary to do well in Basic Statistics. Well, it is important to be prepared for any math course, and one of the things you'll need to do well in Basic Statistics is you'll need to use and understand function notation frequently. So here's an example of that. If f of 4 equals 0.9 and f of 2 is 0.5, then you might be asked to evaluate f of 4 minus f of 2. Now, there's a few things that you would need to know to understand what you're being asked there. But if you understand the function notation that's being shown, that's a good indicator that you're ready to do well in Basic Statistics. You'll also need to have a working knowledge of how to use ratios and proportions. Here's an example of that. About 1.5% of people in the United States have type B blood. Use the current population of the United States to determine how many people have type B blood. Now, if you could use a proportion and solve that without much trouble right now, that's a good indicator that you're ready for Basic Statistics. But if you're not quite sure how you would solve that problem, or you're not sure how you'd use a proportion to solve that problem, then a different course, such as Intermediate Algebra, might be a good course to take before you take Basic Statistics. And it's very common in Basic Statistics to use mathematical operations to solve problems. So the state of Colorado is approximately rectangular, and it's got dimensions of about 280 miles by 380 miles. If its population is 6 million people, could you determine the population density of Colorado? If so, then that is an indicator that you have some geometry background and know how to use a ratio to solve that problem. If you're not quite sure how you would do that one, then again, a different course such as Intermediate Algebra might be a good course to take before taking Basic Stats. Now, at this point, you might feel pretty good that Basic Statistics is the course that you want because you're planning to transfer, you want to build your statistical understanding, and it's within your career path. But there are alternative courses that you can take, both to transfer and count towards Western's associate degrees. If you're planning on a career in science, engineering, technology, or mathematics, we often call those STEM careers, then you might want to take Intermediate Algebra or College Algebra. Those courses will help prepare you for pre-calculus and calculus and beyond, and many science courses. If you're not sure what level of algebra you'll be comfortable with, you can watch the similar videos to this one on is Intermediate Algebra the right course for you, or is College Algebra right for you? On the other hand, if you're planning to transfer but not into a STEM career, then you might consider a course that Western offers called Quantitative Reasoning. It's a wider view of math. It doesn't go quite as deep into those algebraic topics, and you can watch the corresponding video called Is Quantitative Reasoning Right for You to help determine if that's the right fit right now. Now, there's a good chance that you still have questions about what to do or what course to take, and your admissions coach or your college advisor can help give you more information to make that decision. So if you're still unsure, you can give Western a call at the number on your screen or email us at the email on your screen, and we will help you make that decision together. No matter what course you choose, we look forward to seeing you at a math class at Western soon.